We're going to begin to test the string theory starting next month, to test the periphery of this theory starting next month outside Geneva, Switzerland. It will take years, of course, to analyze the data. One day, will we be able to harness this fantastic power, the power of the 11th dimension? Something just happened in the world of physics that has scientists, including Michio Kaku, on high alert. Quantum computers may have just taken a step too far, unlocking something known as the God particle plugin, and the consequences could be unimaginable. For years, researchers have speculated about the true power of the Higgs boson, also known as the God particle, the fundamental force behind mass itself, but now, with quantum computers pushing the boundaries of reality, something strange is happening. Could we be on the verge of a discovery that reshapes our understanding of the universe, or are we tampering with forces beyond our control? Stay with us because, in this video, we will uncover why Michio Kaku is raising alarms, how quantum computers might be interacting with the God particle plugin, and why this could be the most dangerous or the most revolutionary moment in scientific history, a force beyond science. In 2012, scientists at CERN made one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in modern physics, the confirmation of the Higgs boson, also known as the God particle. This elusive particle was the missing piece of the Standard Model, the framework that explains how the fundamental forces of the universe interact. Physicists believed that with this discovery, they had finally solved one of the biggest mysteries of the cosmos, how particles acquire mass. But what if they were wrong? Instead of closing the chapter on the unknown, the Higgs boson may have opened the door to something even deeper. Initially, scientists thought its role was simple, to give matter its weight and keep the universe in balance. However, recent research suggests that the Higgs field, the invisible energy force surrounding this particle, could be far more powerful than we ever imagined. Some physicists now speculate that it may hold the key to unlocking hidden dimensions, controlling fundamental forces, or even manipulating reality at a quantum level. If this is true, it raises a terrifying question. Have we only scratched the surface of what the God particle is capable of, and if it possesses secrets we don't yet understand, what happens when we start experimenting with it using quantum computers? This is where quantum computers enter the picture, the key to the God particle plugin. Unlike regular computers, which process information in a linear, step-by-step fashion, quantum computers operate in an entirely different reality, one governed by the strange and unpredictable laws of quantum mechanics. Instead of using traditional bits, which exist as either 0 or 1, quantum computers harness the power of qubits, subatomic particles that can exist in multiple states at the same time. This allows them to perform complex calculations exponentially faster, solving problems that would take classical computers millions of years in mere seconds. But what happens when these machines start simulating the very foundation of reality itself? For years, scientists have speculated that quantum computers could map out the quantum fields that govern our universe, including the Higgs field, the invisible energy field that gives all matter its mass. Now, new breakthroughs suggest that these computers may be doing more than just running equations, they could be directly interacting with the very structure of spacetime itself. Some physicists believe that by simulating the Higgs boson, quantum computers might be unlocking hidden properties within the Higgs field, tapping into forces that shaped the universe after the Big Bang. If true, this wouldn't just be a scientific milestone, it could be a paradigm shift, redefining our entire understanding of physics, energy, and reality. But not everyone is celebrating this breakthrough. Some scientists, including Michio Kaku, are deeply concerned. Michio Kaku, one of the world's most respected theoretical physicists, has issued a stark warning about the rapid advancements in quantum computing. While many celebrate these machines as the future of technology, Kaku believes that they may be stepping into dangerous uncharted territory, one where we might not be able to predict the consequences. Kaku has long cautioned that playing with the fabric of the universe comes with extreme risks. He argues that if quantum computers truly unlock the full power of the Higgs boson, they could manipulate energy levels beyond anything humanity has ever controlled. This isn't just theoretical. Quantum simulations have already begun mimicking the physics of the early universe, and some scientists fear that we could be interacting with forces we don't fully understand. According to Kaku, this discovery could lead to an unlimited source of power, potentially solving the world's energy crisis. However, he warns that it could also be far more dangerous. If the Higgs field were to be destabilized, even in a controlled experiment, the results could be catastrophic, leading to ripple effects in spacetime itself. Could we unintentionally trigger a chain reaction we can't stop? But what happens next is even crazier. By the way, if you love exploring the biggest breakthroughs in science, hit that like button and subscribe. We bring you the latest discoveries before anyone else. Unlocking the true power of the God particle plugin. Some researchers believe that the Higgs boson isn't just a particle that gives mass to everything in the universe, it may hold the key to unlocking forces we have never seen before. While the standard model of physics tells us that the Higgs boson interacts with particles to give them weight, some physicists speculate that it could have a far greater function, one that is still hidden from us. What if the Higgs field could be manipulated? Imagine a reality where we could control gravity, generate limitless energy, or even alter time itself. If the God particle plugin is real, it could be the first step toward accessing a deeper layer of physics, one that allows us to harness forces that have been beyond our reach for centuries. Quantum computers might be the missing link in making this possible. These machines are already running simulations that replicate the conditions of the early universe, where the Higgs boson first played its role in shaping reality. If quantum processors successfully map out the true nature of the Higgs field, they could unlock a new era of physics, one that transcends everything we currently understand. But this raises a serious question: if we do unlock the true power of the God particle, will we be able to control it? If we could control the Higgs field, the possibilities would be limitless. Scientists speculate that this discovery could mark a new era of human civilization, one where we are no longer bound by the constraints of traditional physics. Imagine a world where energy is infinite, extracted directly from the fabric of space-time. We could develop materials stronger than anything found on Earth, revolutionizing construction, engineering, and even space travel. Some researchers believe that manipulating the Higgs field could even allow us to alter gravity itself, paving the way for propulsion systems that could take us to other planets in record time. But with such power comes an unimaginable risk. This isn't just about technological advancements, it's about the stability of reality itself. The Higgs field is what holds the universe together, and some physicists fear that any attempt to manipulate it could have catastrophic consequences. If the field were disrupted or destabilized, it could trigger a quantum vacuum collapse, a chain reaction that alters the very fabric of spacetime. If this theory is correct, the entire universe as we know it could cease to exist in an instant. If you want to stay updated on quantum breakthroughs and their potential risks, make sure to subscribe. We cover the latest discoveries happening right now. What happens next? Physicists around the world are now racing to answer a critical question: are quantum computers actually interacting with the Higgs field? If this is confirmed, it would represent the most significant discovery in modern physics, a breakthrough that could redefine our understanding of the universe itself. Scientists are running new simulations, analyzing data, and debating whether quantum processors have already crossed a threshold we never expected them to reach. But this is where the real danger lies. Michio Kaku has issued a final warning, one that we can't afford to ignore. He argues that tinkering with the Higgs field is like opening Pandora's box. Once the knowledge is out, there's no turning back. The ability to control or destabilize one of the fundamental forces of reality could put us in a position where we don't just observe the laws of the universe, we rewrite them. And if this happens, the consequences will be irreversible. So, quantum computers really unlocking the true power of the God particle plugin? If they are, we could be standing at the edge of the greatest scientific breakthrough in history, one that could give us control over the fundamental forces of the universe. The potential is staggering: limitless energy, manipulation of gravity, and even the ability to reshape spacetime itself. But with such power comes an equally terrifying risk. As Michio Kaku warns, just because we can doesn't mean we should. If quantum computing is truly interacting with the Higgs field, we could be tampering with forces we don't yet understand. Could we be on the verge of an unprecedented leap in technology, or are we playing with something far beyond our control? What do you think? Are we about to unlock unlimited power or something far more dangerous? Let us know in the comments. If you want to be the first to hear about the next big discovery, subscribe now and hit the notification bell.